Um, Guys, I heard a lot of stuff about MW3 and MW2. Okay, I'm hearing that MW3 and MW2 are very similar. I have the game, and the thing is, I believe the same thing. MW2 has the throwing knife. MW3 has the throwing knife. MW2 has has um has the Desert Eagle, akimbo, and MW3 has the Desert Eagle akimbo. But if you notice in Black Ops, they didn't call it akimbo; they call it dual. So they're bringing back MW2s, and it's not very a good. It's not such a good game. I hear a lot of comments on they didn't a lot of people that bought the game expected much more, but it wasn't that much more. They wanted it to be, well, I believe that most of my friends, they like zombies, so they thought it was gonna have zombies, but it has survival mode, and yeah, so like it's a cool, it's pretty cool, but it's not all that good. It's a cool game, not all that good though. And then the maps, they're terrible. The gold camo on there, it looks really nasty. It looks brown basically. No, the gold camo sucks, but overall the game is pretty okay. Um, a lot of glitches are getting patched faster than Black Ops glitches. There's more um, there's more people still playing Black Ops than there is MW3. Most people turned MW3 back in because what they think of it, how they feel about the game, and hopefully they'll be coming out with a Black Ops 2 or something that has zombies. I think it'll be better if Treyarch or Activision made a whole Call of Duty game of just zombies. Like, you had to do matches on zombies, like team death matches on zombies and stuff. But the zombies can throw their grenades and stuff back. But the zombies, it takes less hits for you to die. There's still Juggernaut, but Juggernaut comes as a perk and stuff. I'll see if one of my modding friends could probably make that type of game. But if you have any comments or subscribe, just please subscribe. It takes 1 second to subscribe. Just click the button and just subscribe me. I really need subscribers. I'm a new YouTuber. Just started up my YouTube account, and thank you.